Welcome to our guide on using AI to optimize your LinkedIn skills section for recruiters in 2026. As the job market evolves rapidly, understanding which skills will be in demand is crucial. AI can help you analyze trends and predict which abilities will make your profile stand out. In this scene, we'll explore how the future landscape of work is shaped by technology and why staying ahead matters. By leveraging AI, you can ensure your LinkedIn profile remains relevant and attractive to recruiters seeking top talent. Let's dive into the changing world of skills and set the stage for your professional growth. The skills section on LinkedIn is more than just a list. It's your professional fingerprint. Recruiters use this area to quickly assess your suitability for roles, especially as AI-driven hiring tools become more prevalent. In 2026, skills will be the currency of employability. By optimizing this section, you increase your chances of being noticed and shortlisted. AI can help identify which skills are trending and which ones are becoming obsolete, ensuring your profile stays competitive. Understanding the importance of skills is the first step in building a LinkedIn profile that attracts future opportunities. Artificial intelligence is transforming recruitment. In 2026, AI tools will analyze LinkedIn profiles, scanning for relevant skills and matching candidates to job descriptions. These algorithms prioritize profiles with up-to-date, in-demand skills. By understanding how AI works, you can tailor your skills section to align with what recruiters and their systems are searching for. This proactive approach ensures you're not just seen by human recruiters, but also by the AI bots that filter candidates. Let's look at how AI shapes the recruitment process and why optimizing your skills is essential. To optimize your LinkedIn profile, you need to know which skills are trending. AI can analyze massive datasets from job postings, company profiles, and industry reports to highlight the most sought-after abilities. By using AI-powered tools, you can discover emerging skills before they become mainstream. This gives you a competitive edge, allowing you to update your profile proactively. In this scene, we'll discuss how to use AI to identify trending skills and ensure your LinkedIn profile reflects the latest industry demands. There are several AI tools available to help optimize your LinkedIn skills. Platforms like LinkedIn's own AI-driven suggestions, as well as third-party analytics tools, can scan your profile and recommend skills based on market trends. These tools often use machine learning to compare your current skills with those of top professionals in your field. By leveraging these resources, you can ensure your skills section is both comprehensive and relevant. Let's explore how to use these AI tools effectively to enhance your LinkedIn profile. AI can help you analyze job descriptions to identify the skills recruiters are looking for. By scanning thousands of postings, AI tools extract keywords and skill requirements, highlighting patterns and trends. This information allows you to tailor your LinkedIn skills section to match what employers want. In 2026, recruiters will rely heavily on these AI-driven insights, so aligning your profile with job descriptions is crucial. Let's see how AI can turn job postings into actionable skill recommendations. One of the most powerful uses of AI is skill gap analysis. By comparing your current skills with those required in your industry, AI tools can pinpoint areas for improvement. This helps you focus on acquiring new abilities that will be in demand in 2026. Skill gap analysis ensures your LinkedIn profile remains relevant and competitive. In this scene, we'll discuss how to use AI to identify and bridge skill gaps, setting you up for future success. AI can provide personalized skill recommendations based on your career goals and industry trends. By analyzing your profile and comparing it with similar professionals, AI suggests skills that will boost your visibility to recruiters. These recommendations are tailored to your unique strengths and aspirations, ensuring your LinkedIn profile stands out. Let's explore how personalized AI suggestions can help you optimize your skills section for 2026. Regularly updating your LinkedIn skills is essential. AI can remind you when new skills become relevant or when old ones lose value. By staying proactive, you ensure your profile reflects the latest industry standards. In 2026, recruiters will expect candidates to have current, relevant skills. Use AI notifications and suggestions to keep your profile fresh and competitive. Let's discuss the importance of continuous skill updates and how AI can help. Endorsements add credibility to your skills. AI can help you identify which skills are most likely to be endorsed by colleagues and connections. By focusing on these, you increase your profile's trustworthiness and appeal to recruiters. AI tools can also suggest ways to encourage endorsements, such as networking with industry peers. In 2026, endorsements will play a bigger role in recruitment, so optimizing this aspect is key. AI can validate your skills by cross-referencing them with your work history, education, and achievements. This ensures your LinkedIn profile is authentic and trustworthy. Recruiters in 2026 will rely on AI to verify candidates' skills, making validation more important than ever. By using AI to confirm your abilities, you build a profile that stands up to scrutiny and increases your chances of landing interviews. AI can help you rank your skills based on relevance and demand. By analyzing market trends and recruiter preferences, AI suggests which skills to highlight at the top of your LinkedIn profile. This ranking ensures recruiters see your most valuable abilities first. In 2026, skill ranking will be a critical factor in getting noticed. Let's explore how AI can optimize the order of your skills for maximum impact. AI can cluster your skills into categories, making your profile easier to read and more appealing to recruiters. By grouping related abilities, you showcase your expertise in specific areas. This organization helps recruiters quickly assess your strengths and match you to relevant roles. In 2026, skill clustering will be a best practice for LinkedIn optimization. Let's see how AI can help you organize your skills for clarity and impact. AI-powered visualization tools can turn your skills into charts and graphs, making your LinkedIn profile more engaging. Visual representations help recruiters quickly understand your strengths and areas of expertise. In 2026, profiles with skill visualizations will stand out in a crowded job market. Let's explore how to use AI to create compelling skill visuals that enhance your LinkedIn presence. AI can track the evolution of your skills over time, showing recruiters your growth and adaptability. By monitoring changes and improvements, you demonstrate a commitment to lifelong learning. In 2026, recruiters will value candidates who continuously upgrade their abilities. Use AI tools to document your skill evolution and highlight your progress on LinkedIn. Benchmarking your skills against industry standards is essential. AI can compare your abilities with those of top performers in your field, identifying areas where you excel and where you need improvement. This benchmarking helps you set realistic goals and measure your progress. In 2026, recruiters will look for candidates who meet or exceed industry benchmarks. Let's see how AI can help you benchmark your skills for LinkedIn optimization. AI can help you plan your skill acquisition journey. By analyzing future job trends and industry needs, AI suggests which skills to learn next. This planning ensures you're always prepared for new opportunities. In 2026, recruiters will value candidates who proactively acquire relevant skills. Use AI to create a personalized learning roadmap and keep your LinkedIn profile ahead of the curve. Integrating certifications with your LinkedIn skills enhances credibility. AI can recommend relevant certifications based on your industry and career goals. By adding these to your profile, you show recruiters you're committed to professional development. In 2026, certification integration will be a key differentiator. Let's explore how AI can help you select and showcase certifications alongside your skills. Optimizing your skills with the right keywords is crucial for visibility. AI can analyze recruiter searches and suggest keywords that increase your chances of being found. By using industry-specific terms, you ensure your profile appears in relevant searches. In 2026, keyword optimization will be more important than ever. Let's see how AI can help you choose the best keywords for your LinkedIn skills. AI can score your skills based on relevance to current job market trends. This scoring helps you prioritize which abilities to highlight and which to update. Recruiters in 2026 will use these scores to assess candidates quickly. By focusing on high-scoring skills, you increase your chances of landing interviews. Let's explore how AI-relevant scoring works and how to use it for LinkedIn optimization. AI can analyze the impact of your skills on your career progression. By tracking how certain abilities contribute to promotions, job offers, and project success, AI helps you focus on skills that drive results. In 2026, recruiters will value candidates who demonstrate measurable impact. Use AI to highlight your most influential skills on LinkedIn. Diversity in skills is increasingly important. AI can help you build a balanced skill set, combining technical, soft, and leadership abilities. This diversity makes your LinkedIn profile appealing to a wider range of recruiters. In 2026, employers will seek candidates with varied skill portfolios. Let's see how AI can help you diversify your skills for LinkedIn optimization. Contextualizing your skills with real-world examples increases their value. AI can suggest ways to link your abilities to specific projects, achievements, or roles. This context helps recruiters understand how you apply your skills in practice. In 2026, contextualized skills will be more persuasive. Use AI to add context and make your LinkedIn profile more compelling. AI can automate the process of updating and optimizing your LinkedIn skills. By continuously monitoring industry trends and recruiter preferences, AI ensures your profile stays current without manual effort. Automation saves time and keeps you ahead of the competition. In 2026, automated skill management will be a standard practice. Let's explore how AI can automate your LinkedIn skills optimization. In 2026, recruiters will use AI bots to scan LinkedIn profiles for specific skills. By integrating your skills with AI-friendly formats and keywords, you increase your chances of being shortlisted. AI can guide you on how to structure your skills for optimal bot recognition. Let's see how to make your LinkedIn skills bot-ready for future recruitment. AI can create a feedback loop for your LinkedIn skills. By analyzing recruiter responses and profile views, AI suggests adjustments to improve your visibility. This loop ensures continuous optimization and adaptation to changing market needs. In 2026, feedback-driven skill updates will be essential for LinkedIn success. Let's explore how AI feedback loops work and how to use them. AI-powered analytics can provide insights into how your skills are performing on LinkedIn. By tracking profile views, recruiter searches, and endorsements, AI helps you understand which abilities are attracting attention. Use these analytics to refine your skills section and maximize your profile's impact. In 2026, skill analytics will be a must-have for LinkedIn optimization. Your skills are a key part of your personal brand. AI can help you align your abilities with your brand message, ensuring consistency across your LinkedIn profile. By highlighting skills that reflect your values and strengths, you attract recruiters who share your vision. In 2026, personal branding through skills will be more important than ever. Let's see how AI can help you build a strong brand with your LinkedIn skills. Storytelling can make your skills more memorable. AI can suggest ways to weave your abilities into compelling narratives, linking them to achievements and experiences. This storytelling approach helps recruiters connect with your profile on a deeper level. In 2026, skill storytelling will be a powerful tool for LinkedIn optimization. Let's explore how AI can help you tell your skills story. To stay relevant in 2026 and beyond, you must future-proof your LinkedIn skills. AI can predict which abilities will be in demand and guide you on how to acquire them. By continuously updating and optimizing your profile, you ensure long-term employability. Let's summarize how AI can help you future-proof your LinkedIn skills and prepare for the evolving job market.